Look at this. Blue skies and a good chance of catching fish. There we go. Yes. Pull that thing right up here. Look at that. Not the trophy size rafter, but hey, it's a fish and it's in the boat. You. Oh my. Oh yeah, third time he hit that. That was awesome. Let's go bring him up. Absolutely love it. The blue camouflage tinge on the back of the scales, absolutely unreal. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes. Sun's going down. It's probably close to 9 o'clock now. So. Oh yeah, number 3. Oh, the back troll worked. I sped it up a little bit and he just crushed it. I stopped and I waited for him. Oh, this one's pulling line. This one's bigger. Finally. Not that much bigger, but he had more spunk than these other guys. Wow, he swallowed that thing. Whoo! Yeah, no, he's bigger for sure. Ending the day on that one right there. Epic third fight of the day. He smashed that so good with the back troll. Giving this guy a break in the water before I let him go. Thanks for tuning back into the channel. This is Freshwater Fishing with Adrian. You.